Voilà, donc nous sommes avec le fameux réalisateur. We are with Mr. Jean-Pierre Mocky. He's a réalisateur from France, and we are here for an interview because Mr. Mocky has some kind of project to go in America and to make a great movie. Mr. Mocky, how can you introduce yourself to the American folks?
I am a French director. I have I work from 50 years. I am now 80 and I have make 80 films, one by year. I work with big stars, French stars, Italian stars and German stars. Fernandel, Bourvil, Catherine Deneuve, Philippe Noiret, Michel Serrault,
Gérard Depardieu.
And Gérard Depardieu. And today we have many projects, little picture and big picture. For the big picture, we need American participation. Now I know that in America there are some French directors who get a success here. My friend Michel Gondry is one of them. He works in the States and now in France. And what I want is to find an independent production to do a big picture situated in Pigalle. Pigalle in France, it's a place where plenty of things happen. And when the war was out in 45, we have a big transformation with the brothel, with the prostitution house. And we have the project to make a big picture named Fleur de Ruby, ruby flower, with an American who is the leading part. It could be a black or a white.
Did you think, for example, about Denzel Washington?
For instance, any black, Will Smith, we meet him in Paris when he came last time. And that needs American money, American production, because it's a very big picture. We have to build in the studio the Place Pigalle who disappeared. It's not the same now. And it's a budget about $10 million, who is not very high for an American picture, but for us it's sufficient. Now we have also other pictures. One is about the car stealer, the people who stole the car, very big Maserati, Lamborghini, and so on. And that is the very important picture with plenty of beautiful cars.
You want to make it in France? You want
in
Paris,
Europe. All this it's to do in Europe. For instance, Pigalle must be built or in Romania, or where the building is, the construction is less expensive. And we need also an actor like Mark Damon, or like Ewan McGregor, or like Brad Pitt, and to do the leading part. And we can take Sir Anthony Hopkins. I know him, and he liked to work with me. And any actors like that, from Dustin Hoffman, for instance. Or
yeah, but Mr. Mocky, don't you think you can, for example, take an actor nobody knows on the...
Yes,
I don't know, because...
I can take you yourself.
Yes, because I'm an actor too, by the way.
This picture, because it's a picture with plenty of parts. They are in Pigalle, they were the policeman and the racketeer, the dealer and was the prostitute, and there are plenty of type of.
And you have an attorney in the movie. Maybe I like to play an attorney, because I don't know. It's a kind of an attorney. An attorney, an avocat.
Oui, an attorney, yes, an advocate, yes. You can play something in the picture, but for the moment the problem is that we need participation of other countries than the European people, because Italy, Spain have no money because it's a crisis.
You need a contribution.
And I think Pigalle is a very important place where all the world know Pigalle. And for that we are looking for a picture who is international, and it's in Paris there are so many tourists, they know about Pigalle, and I think even in Japan and in China everybody knows Pigalle. For that we know we can do a picture with different actors. It can be Asiatic actors also in there, because in this time there are many Chinese in Paris, and they come from Tonkin, from for instance, that time in the 50s, many people work in the house were Chinese and Asiatic, and we can for that take Asiatic actors, American actors, French actors, German actors, and Spanish actors. We can make every sort of people, every country could participate to this picture.
Sure, because Mr. Mocky makes a lot of movies, like he says, he made around 80 movies. So the problem here in France, it's very difficult. It's not very easy to find the money to have a big project. That's why you cannot really complete a project in France. So Mr. Mocky likes to work with the American way, with American people who are really producer, who can invest in a movie, in an idea, in something really great. The great picture.
I am able, like I do on my 80 pictures, do a big picture with good musician. I have in my life Maurice Jarre, Vladimir Cosma, Ennio Morricone. I have the biggest film musician, and with a big musician, a big operator, a photographer, we can make a very good picture in quality for less money than could cost in America or in any other country. For instance, I say often that I am the less expensive director in the world. And for terminate this interview, Orson Welles make me the pleasure to say in an article in the New York Times, I think, before his death, he says Mocky is one of the most important directors in the world. And
Mr. Orson Welles.
I say this because nobody knows about this.
No, but you have an incredible background.
Orson do it for me because he like me, and before he died, he says this in a newspaper, and I only discovered that this compliment only 3 days ago.
Oh, really?
Yes, I don't know about.
Oh,
it's a man. It's a teacher of a university where my pictures are played in America. I am known in all the university because my picture serves to learn the French. For that,
of course, I understand.
They showed it
for the people to learn, the French way, how the people.
And they see the picture. See the picture in French, And like that, they study the French.
That's right. But you worked with Fellini before too.
Yes, I was
He
the
was
assistant of Fellini, of Visconti, but I was also an actor. I am also an actor for the moment. I play in some picture with Selma Hayek, Geraldine Chaplin, and so on, and Robert Mitchum before. I make about 80 films like actor, but I prefer to be director, and I hope for the end of my life to have the chance to make a big.
I guess you'll be 100 one day.
When
You know, I have a friend of mine, Georges Cotos. I guess you know him. You know, he's a very great painter. He's now 99. He just go to 99 in April.
Yes, we can
really
perhaps be centenaire, be 100 years.
When you are in action, everything is possible. Mr. Mocky like to have a connection. Especially, I was talking about Rob Cohen. Rob Cohen, who was involved in the movie with the cars. You know, the cars goes around. You have seen the movie. You know, Rob Cohen is really great in America. I met him on Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills a few years ago. So we have a kind of connection. And it could be nice to have a kind of completion between Mr. Mocky and Mr. Cohen for a movie with, I guess Mr. Mocky wants to have the big actor from America, but I think we have so many actors, nobody knows them, but they can be really good. They just have to have the good part in the movie. So this is my idea, you know, to be involved in this kind of project, you know, for America. Thank you, Mr. Mocky. Thank you very much. And I see you when I see you.
Bon, allez, on s'en va. Ça y est.